This is the All-Star Band. I gotta say, it's the first time I've been here with the All-Stars, and so far, so good. Thank you. As you may or not know, I wrote several songs, and several of them were rejected. But this one wasn't. It's the first song I ever recorded that I'd written, and it's called Don't Pass Me By. I listen for your footsteps. Is this for me? Did you do it? Look at this.
Aww.
Oh, look at this.
That is good.
Thank you. I'll put it up here for safekeeping. What great eyes he has. What would you do if I sang out a tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me?